Hello, I am Aviram from Kmo Bateva. I am proud to present a unique technology, an all-in-one, prefabricated living water swimming pool that includes everything you need. Before we begin planning the project, we meet with the clients to go over the pool details and profile their needs. Then, we prepare a detailed plan and implement the client's requirements in the Compass Carbon ceramic pools. Compass receives our plan and manufactures the pool accordingly. When the infrastructure is ready, we transport the pool to the site for installation. After the pool is installed, we install our system and all other pool systems. All standard systems are integrated perfectly with the Kmo Bateva living water system. The pool maintenance is simple and easy. All you need is a pool robot and correct use of the cover. The collaboration between Compass and Kmo Bateva produces the ultimate pool. Short construction time, significantly lower project cost, high sustainability values, and most importantly, a real living water pool, like the purest spring in nature, that maintains water purity all year long. Compass Nature by Kmo Bateva.
Je m'appelle Laurence, je suis arrivée à la campagne il y a quelques années. Notre rêve, c'était de faire une piscine. Et nous sommes arrivés à Kmo Bateva. Ils font des piscines entièrement naturelles. L'eau est sans aucun produit. On aime beaucoup recevoir la famille et nos amis. Et tout le monde apprécie le fait que la piscine est naturelle. Et pour nous aussi, c'est agréable de savoir s'il y a des petits-enfants que rien ne leur arrivera s'ils boivent de l'eau, parce que l'eau est sans aucun produit chimique. Nous apprécions beaucoup et nous profitons énormément de la piscine naturelle Kmo Bateva. Chief, tu veux aller boire de l'eau? Va!
From the beginning of time, plunging into natural water has always been a source of serenity, joy, and awakening. The importance of preserving water quality without the use of chemicals is clearer now than ever before. Kmo Bateva is implementing sustainable values in the field of swimming pools. Relying on valuable knowledge from a variety of water treatment fields, we integrate groundbreaking technologies with traditional methods to create the world's most advanced swimming pool water purification system. Kmo Bateva's swimming pool water maintains a clarity and quality all year long. Swimmers can take a dip in clear, fresh water, open their eyes underwater, breathe easier, and maintain their skin and hair health. It's just like a natural spring in your very own home. It's a purifying experience. It's Kmo Bateva.